Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase Pro migration steps to advanced trade, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Coinbase website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the trade option from the drop-down menu. You will see an option to access Coinbase Pro. Select Coinbase Pro to enter the trading platform. After entering Coinbase Pro, familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Advanced Trade tab on the platform. Click on Advanced Trade to access the new features. Review the features available in Advanced Trade. Ensure your account is fully verified for trading. Check if your funds are available in your Coinbase account. To start the migration, click on the Transfer button. Choose Deposit to move your assets from Coinbase to Pro. Select the asset you wish to transfer and enter the amount. Confirm the transfer details and submit. Next, monitor the transfer status in your account. Once the transfer is complete, navigate back to the Advanced Trade tab. Explore the various trading options available to you. Familiarize yourself with the charts and order types. Set up your preferred trading pairs for convenience. Start practicing with small trades to get comfortable. Lastly, keep an eye on your portfolio and adjust your strategies as needed. Enjoy your trading experience on Advanced Trade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.